Hey, first grade friends, and welcome back to our adventures of narrative writing, where this week we are imagining that we are aliens, not humans, and we are living in outer space. That is our setting, and our job is to write to tell the story of your adventures in space. Well, yesterday I said that I wanted to be an alien who was on their way to school, and my little spaceship unfortunately starts going beep beep. Actually, I should add that in, the beeping. See, it's flashing, but I can make it go beep. We call those onomatopoeias, words that make sounds. And it actually talks to me because this is my imagination going here, and my spaceship is so smart it can talk. And it says, "You are low on gas," on my way to school. Well, I stop at the gas station, and the gas beams up into my spaceship. You'll notice that the light turned green. It is now very happy because it's full of gas, and now I can get on my way to school. And at the end of my story, here I am, zooming in to school, Alien Academy. Notice how I put Earth in the background as part of my setting. So friends, now that we have drawn our pictures, and you'll notice I colored them in, now I can actually start writing what happened in the beginning. Now keep in mind that we're talking this week about narrators, and narrators are whoever is telling the story. It could be a character, it could also be the author. But since the prompt says, imagine you are an alien, you are the person telling this story, and you're one of the characters. So this story is going to be told from your perspective. You, as the character, are the narrator. So we're always going to start off our beginning with some type of temporal word, or a word that tells us when this is happening. And even though I'm an alien, I still think I'm going to go to school in the morning. So I'm going to say one morning. But if your story doesn't take place in the morning, you might say one night, or yesterday, or you could even just say in the beginning. You just need to tell your reader, hey, I'm about to tell you what happened in the beginning. Give them some kind of clue so they're ready for it. So I think I want to say, one morning I was on my way to school when my spaceship ran out of gas. Let's fill in my lines. One morning I was on my way to school. Notice how I even included my school in my picture. When my spaceship, is it one word or two? I think it's one word, right? Yes, one word, compound word. Spaceship ran out of gas. Exclamation point, because oh man, this is a problem. Here I go, I'm gonna go back and write. One morning. Friends, what kind of O do I need in the word one? A lowercase little baby or an uppercase O? If you said uppercase, kiss your brain. And if you know why, I'll give you a second to think about why we have to use an uppercase O instead of lowercase. If you said because it's the beginning of your sentence, the first letter in your sentence, kiss your brain 2 more times. Yes, we always capitalize the first letter in our sentence. One morning, more, or. Friends, what combination makes the or sound like horse? If you said O-R, you are correct. Morn, I hear n, and morning. Oh, I-N-G makes that ing sound. One morning, I was on my way to school when my spaceship ran out of gas. One morning, notice how I'm using the word I, which always tells you one of your characters is telling the story here. You're the character here. That's why we see the word I. One morning I was on my, ding, 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 another word that tells us the character is telling the story, my. One morning I was on my way to school when my spaceship, ooh, check out this digraph. Friends, we got digraph WH in the word when, and the H here is silent. When my spaceship, compound word, space. The C here is making that soft sound since it's followed by an E. Space, ship. Help me spell ship, friends. Stretch it. Ip. Ship. Shh. What digraph, friends? If you said SH, kiss your brain. Like igloo, iguana. I, ship, spaceship. One morning I was on my way to school when my spaceship ran out of gas. Ran out of gas. G, G, A, S, F. Gas. Exclamation point, because I am surprised and shocked and this is a problem. It's going beep, 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 beep. You are low on gas. We have a problem. Tomorrow, I'm going to write the middle of my story to tell you how I solved this problem. Your job now, friends, is to go ahead and write a beginning that matches your beginning picture, being sure you use some type of temporal word to help you. First, in the beginning, one morning, one day, last night. Tell us when this is happening. And then be sure you're also including those words that tell us that you, as the character, are your narrator, like I, my, me. All right, friends, go ahead and start writing.